Oh my goodness, we look at this beautiful pair of Nike Air more Uptempo slides. I love this slides, but unfortunately, I've been wearing this to the local YMCA swimming pool, and the harmful chlorine got into the soles, the midsoles, and look at that's why it's breaking apart. Normally, with normal wear, it shouldn't happen like this, but because of the harmful chemicals, the chlorine, it has caused breakage, premature damage. All right. So, fortunately, I have a solution right here. This is the Soft Sole Original Shoe Goo. Rebuild, protect, repair. All right. So, looks like it's for use on leather, rubber, vinyl, and canvas. And the instructions are right there for those of you who are interested. So, let's go ahead and open this up. So, first of all, obviously you have to clean the shoe, which I've already done. Um, and you want to make sure you are applying this at a room temperature, which I'm currently at. Room temperature around like 90 degrees. All right, so this is what it looks like. This is 3.74 ounce. Okay, so it looks like it's clear. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, first we want to use this. The cap is the puncture itself. All right, just want to puncture it. Okay. All right, so now we got it punctured. Okay, so you want to apply it in thin layers until you get a good buildup. The layers dry about, I believe, about 3 hours, and then it will totally be set 24 hours. All right, so let's go ahead and you can also use a tool too, but the tool that you use, it will be thrown away. All right, so let's go ahead and get a good amount in here. And if you want to water seal it, simply insert a thin layer so it seals it. And I'm using these dental floss just to make sure get all the crevices and wipe away any residue. You want to give it a thin layer of waterproofing along this the seams. Although this isn't required, I would suggest putting some weights on there so it makes sure it seals better. All right, 10-pound plates. Welcome back. It's 24 hours later. Let's check up on the sandals. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, that's a good sealing right there. Look at this. It's like it's brand new. And I also add the additional water sealant too. How about this other pair? Oh yeah, that's good. Here's the final test. Let me go ahead and try it on. Walk around in it. It's as good as new. I'm loving the shoe goo. It definitely does its job well. And not only that, it can work on other surfaces too. Plastic, wood. All right, so I'm gonna let that set. Okay. And by the way, this is clear. That's good right there. We will let that set. But especially for shoes. So if you have a broken down, torn pair of shoes that you need to repair, especially for the midsole, definitely give the shoe glue a look.